we will be doing the boyfriend.
Bing bada boom boom, bing boom boom.
Bing bada bum 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 bum.
What are we doing?
We are doing a, you say it. No, wait,
Drew owes me money and that's why we're here. There's a blizzard outside.
It's freezing.
I know that when it's snowy outside, I just want to sit in bed and watch YouTube videos. So hopefully this will be another video for your entertainment on your bed, on your couch, or on your treadmill. Hey, maybe you're making it happen.
Hot chocolate.
Maybe you're making it happen. So let's do it. We're going to do the
boyfriend tag.
I'm Drew's boyfriend, Sam. I'm just kidding.
I'm Drew's boyfriend, Sam. I mean, I'm Drew, Samantha's boyfriend.
Yes. We didn't rehearse, we didn't plan, we didn't even look at the questions. However,
Yeah.
Drew and I filmed a...
Really bad boyfriend tag when, how old were we?
We were 17 and 18 and we just first started dating and YouTube was just like fun. We never uploaded it, but if I have footage from that, we're definitely gonna compare it. So we haven't looked at these questions in 5 years. So there's no preconceived notions. Let's begin.
Okay.
Question number 1, where did we meet?
Ready, say it in 3. 1, 2, 3. Behind the
McCrow.
piano.
Oh. First met Drew in high school, obviously.
That's where we met. The very, very, very first time we met was in English class. Before we started actually dating and hanging out, it was 10th grade. I walked into English class, brand new school, had just transferred. So I walk into my very first class and there's just like this girl in the back row, just like...
I had no friends. I moved there as well. Everybody talked to their friends in the beginning before school. You got off the bus, you talked to your friends, and at the very last second you would go to class. In this school at least. Well, I didn't have those, so I just went straight to class and just like went on YouTube, literally watched YouTube videos before English class. And Drew and I sat
Diagonal.
opposite ends of the room every day for that year.
The entire year didn't speak one word to each other. Probably said like, hey, because one of...
We were paired in a group.
Yeah, so the whole year went by. I would be the second person in class. She would be the first. And we just went through like that.
Not because we were trying to be studious, but because we had no friends.
And then I tried to go on I guess like hang out, go on a date with like one of her friends. And then that never really went into anything.
Yeah, so I was the third wheel on a date, a hangout date.
Yeah, so you were the third wheel and then we didn't speak to you from then
Yeah.
for like a whole other year.
Yeah.
And then we did drama club together. We got cast in the same show. And we
That's where we met.
behind a piano.
That's where we
with
officially
Wawa. Shout
met.
out Wawa.
Okay. Where was our first date? This is strange because, so we're in 12th grade and 12th graders don't take people out on dates. Like dating wasn't
They probably
really,
do now.
it wasn't really like a date until I think Valentine's Day. Like an official date.
Because like how we started hanging out, we just
hung out.
We
We didn't really even have a first date. We just started hanging out.
You know, it was like we thought cool people. It honestly didn't even start out. And I think that that's why we have such a good relationship, because it started out as friends.
Exactly,
You know, because it's like we were just hanging out. I was such a loner in all of high school. So kind of like two loners. Hey, you're a loner. Like, let's chill. You're a cool person. Then when we actually started dating, it went from those hangouts to
hanging out and kissing. What I was gonna say too, just to touch on that note, I think when you start as friends, then you know their true authentic self. There's no like, I'm trying to impress you kind of thing. It was like, you literally saw me at my worst and was like, okay, I still like you.
I know that was, I guess, the best thing about our relationship. We didn't have to have that like awkward date phase because we were friends.
We were just awkward. What was your first impression of me?
You first, because I kind of feel like shit for mine.
I already know the answer for yours. My first impression of you, I didn't think anything of you like romantically. In English, I just thought you were like a cute, good-looking guy. I've said this so many times, like dorky, dopey.
So like, does impression mean like first impression, like just the first time you see them, or like the first time you talk to them?
I just think it's the first thought that you had when you saw them.
Okay, first thought I thought when I saw you, like I thought she was like such a party animal, like does drugs on the weekend, like...
How? I don't know.
I don't know, you just looked like that like wild spirit, that person in school.
I'm like the complete opposite.
I know,
I'm like a
and then I
homebody.
meet her and she's like, do you go to church?
I didn't say that. I'm like, do you love Jesus? Okay, it's like a spiritual difference. When did you meet the family?
Meet the family.
God, I have no idea.
I don't know, honestly.
Probably at like a school event.
I'm pretty sure like the first time I met one of your family members, it was your mom, and she was like, he can't be in your room.
When did you meet the family?
Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas it was.
Okay. Do I have any weird obsessions? If so, what? No.
No.
We're weird, but we're not
Yeah.
weirdly obsessed.
Yeah, like you're not like one of those people that like pick scabs. And, yeah, we don't really have any like weird obsession. Because any obsession we have, I feel like it's either because
healthy
of like
one.
passion or
Yeah. How long have
Never
we been
mind.
together?
this thing. Oh, I will say this is a weird obsession. She got this Christmas day for like half an hour. I was just doing this, and her family was like, "Drew, are you okay?" And I was like, "Now I am."
How long have we been together? 7 years.
7
5
years.
months. 2 days. 21 hours.
No, it'll be 7 years in March. March 23rd, 2018. It'll be 7 years.
Oh my god, we're old. Do you have a tradition together?
Yeah, you probably already saw in one of her last vlogs, we always go to the city for our birthdays.
Yeah.
So that's a tradition.
Otherwise, I'm sure we'll make more once we...
Like, we kind of want to get to that
Level up.
point where the tradition is like, yeah, we go to Europe once a year.
Yeah.
We like go to the Bahamas every Friday.
Every December we go to Bali. Like, what was our first road trip?
1, 2, 3, Greenport!
That was such a
Yeah, that was so much fun.
trivial moment in
Yeah.
our relationship.
Yeah, like,
as
mhm.
teenagers.
We
Yeah.
had so much fun.
What was our first road trip? Greenport.
I think we learned that we were just both adventurous and ready to go, go, go.
Yeah, totally.
What was the first thing that you noticed about me?
Your style. Oh my
Oh.
god, right away. I was like, damn, that girl has good style.
Do you know what? I agree. I think that's what I noticed about you as well. And thank you, P.S.
As you can tell.
No, but you had good style in high school. Like, that set you apart. I'm just saying, for a high schooler.
Yeah.
Like, all the guys, no offense, every other guy was pretty generic. Like, nothing set them apart. They all wore the same jean t-shirt, and then Drew had a little bit of pep in his stuff, you know what I mean?
For you, like, I looked at you and I was like, she's like right out of a magazine. Like, she had on like the leather jacket with the blouse underneath and the black jeans and the boots with the gold studs and the band with the gold lace.
Wait, what?
Like a hairband.
Did I have a hairband with gold lace? I would never pick that up.
No, probably not.
I
Like,
get what you
were
mean.
matching, you were good.
Thank you. No, what is my favorite restaurant?
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna pick this one because you would go there like at the drop of a hat at
What?
PS Kitchen.
Like
Like
that
you
is
love
it.
PS
Yeah.
Kitchen, everything about it.
That is definitely one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Just for the whole thing behind it,
Mhm.
and the food is amazing.
Oh my god, the food is really
and
good.
I always feel beautiful when I'm sitting there
Mhm.
eating.
Mine.
Great restaurant.
Go. This is gonna be hard, but like I do have a favorite restaurant now. It's kind of newer though for me, so don't be upset if you can't get it. It's okay.
Wait, I really want to think about this. I'm trying.
8,
I don't know.
7, Blossom de Jour. I would go there immediately. It's so good. Wait, no, not Blossom de Jour. Blossom.
Oh.
It's just Blossom.
True. That was not obvious at all. And two, I was not thinking in the city at all. What do we argue about the most?
Oh, we actually said this the other day. I'm kind of proud of this.
Yeah.
We don't really argue, which also may lead to like
Bad arguments in the
you
future?
think we argue? I really don't think we do. If anything, it's like, you want Indian food tonight? No. Oh, but I really want Indian food. But I don't want Indian food.
That's like a disagreement.
Trust me, like, we've been through things,
Yeah.
but we don't
Argue.
argue.
Because argue is like, I'm right, you're wrong. I
Yeah.
think we always want each other to be right. Like, we're rooting for each other.
Exactly.
And we'll just communicate, like, oh, let me understand why you're right.
And
I'm
also,
wrong.
slightly healthy, slightly unhealthy. We're also like each other's best friend. We're like each other's everything, you know? So it's like, I don't want to lose my best friend.
Wow, this is
I have
like
a
a
really-
form of therapy.
I have-
Who wears the pants in the relationship? I think
You.
my answer, no, this is what I think my answer has stayed the same for all these 5 years. I wear the capris and Drew wears the shorts, and together we make
We
the
make
pants.
the pants.
It's like
So
an
you-
analogy.
so-
The capri is like to the
Wow,
ankle,
I just
right?
got that now. So you
To
wear
the
the
ankle?
capris, so you wear more of the pants than I do.
Yeah.
But I wear just enough of the pants for it
Together-
to be equal.
Together we make the pants.
I always say I wear the capris and you wear the shorts.
I think that's fair. Feminism. I'm watching TV. What am I watching?
You're not.
I don't watch it.
Don't watch TV. If you are,
If the TV is on,
reality show.
it's a reality show. Yeah. Not that I can't. I don't want to limit myself, but I just haven't been able to get into fantasy TV shows.
It kills me.
I did like Lost. I like that it had like a thrilling, keep you on the edge of your seat type of
Twist
feel
around
to it.
every corner.
Yeah, so I could do that. We have watched This Is Us.
Yes, This Is Us.
So
We
I like
love
that,
This
but
Is-
it's still like a form of like, oh, that's realistic, that could happen. I don't know why I'm like gravitated towards that. If you have this TV on, which you pretty much rarely do as
Yeah,
well. We like MasterChef when it's on.
yeah,
MasterChef Junior.
MasterChef Junior, definitely.
I'm like sinking into this man.
We're definitely more Netflix
Yeah,
people.
yeah.
Like find like a nice, good
Drew
old
like
Netflix
Stranger
show.
Things, like that would be on. That's not really a TV
And
show.
also definitely more movie people than TV people.
For sure.
Like, give me all the movies.
What is one food I do not like?
Corn and peas.
Yeah, I don't. I've gotten better with it. I think I've just had a bad experience with both. When they're cooked correctly or into.
Hi, my name's Sam Rue, and I hate corn and peas.
If it's cooked right or like in a soup or something, I've warmed up to those.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You
right.
can train your taste buds. I've definitely like opened up my palate, my eating palate in the past 2 years. One food you do not like?
Uh-huh.
You don't like cauliflower?
Boom. Cauliflower. Hate it. Little story. My mom, when I was in 5th grade, was going healthy, so during dinner time she plopped a nice scoop of corn, nice scoop of mashed potatoes, nice scoop of green beans, some chicken, and we were eating.
Some green beans, a chicken, a salad.
So I'm eating the corn, I'm eating the green beans, I'm eating the chicken, I eat the mashed potato. It did not taste right. I started gagging. I'm like, what is this? This is not mashed potatoes. So I'm eating the mashed potatoes and my mom's like, it's mashed potato surprise. So we were like, what does that mean? And she's like, it's cauliflower. And me and my brother just like started hysterically crying. And it was the most pathetic thing ever. But yeah, I hate cauliflower. It's so bland.
Can be prepared really, really, really good. Like buffalo cauliflower.
Do it.
What drink do I order when we go out to eat?
Well, as of lately, it's been Diet Coke.
But what is it normally?
Water.
Yeah, water. How boring am I? Yeah, and Drew,
'Cause-
it's water. Also a Sprite.
And-
What size shoe do I wear?
Oh. Ooh, I gotta take the L on this one.
Drew's an 11 and a half.
I have no idea what size shoe you
Just
are.
guess.
9.5.
No.
8.5.
Yes. We write this stuff down though if we ever needed to know it. What's my favorite kind of sandwich? This is a difficult question right now because I don't eat meat anymore and neither do you as of now.
Yeah. Well, for me, I'm doing like more so the vegetarian
Yeah,
thing.
vegetable panini maybe?
No, grilled cheese anytime.
Yeah, grilled cheese. If I'm ordering a sandwich, like vegan, vegetarian.
Oh yeah, like just a kitchen sink sandwich. Like just give you all the vegetables, give me a little dressing on that thing, boom, done. Panini it up. Side note, if ever you go out to like a restaurant or something, never ask for the panini bread. There's no such thing. The panini is the press. I heard someone say that the other day. They're like, where's the panini bread? Next question.
Okay.
Go.
What's one talent that I have? Wow.
One.
Just one.
Oh
For
my
you?
god, for you?
For you!
You have, I can't just name one of your talents, that's insane. It's like
Name-
asking me to, like,
Name all of the countries in the world.
like one of your talents. No, screw that.
what's-
I'm saying all of your talents. Makeup, video editing, singing, writing, drawing.
He said singing.
Yeah, singing, yeah, you're a good singer. Acting, you're a good actor. You have so many talents, babe.
True.
Commitment.
Did you say makeup artist?
So many talents.
You are amazing. One of your Drew is a really good writer, actor, singer, guitar player. He can cook, and Drew actually is a really good massage therapist. You are. He can like
Thanks.
feel where the knots are.
Cool.
What would I eat every day if I could?
Pizza.
I love pizza.
You love pizza.
That's an answer. You eat everything though.
Yeah.
I don't know why in my mind I thought of corn.
Oh yeah, I could.
What's my favorite cereal? We don't really eat that
no,
right now.
yeah, we don't eat cereal.
It's like
that one, no
sugar mush.
cereal. Come on.
What's my favorite music? Like if I had to pick through, we both like everything.
If you had to pick between two different kinds of music for the rest of your life, it would either be the like alternative, like pop punk kind of stuff, or you'd pick a happy playlist of like all happy.
But it's just what's my favorite music.
So yeah, so alternative pop punk rock.
Yeah, I
That
agree.
She was like a huge bands girl in high school.
Who wasn't, right? When they didn't have friends. I think your favorite music is hip hop, but certain hip hop with a twist a little bit. Like,
Yeah, when was it? Like 5th or 6th grade? Mims, This Is Why I'm Hot. That was like what started it. Jay-Z, then it was Kanye West, and then like Drake, So Far Gone mixtape. I was like, what is this? And then Lupe Fiasco, and now it's gotten into more like Childish Gambino.
because you were a little bit sheltered growing up from music, right? So
Yeah.
that was like a new world for you.
Oh my
in a
gosh,
way.
it was so cool. I was like, people like saying whatever they want. This is weird. And they're
People
not
being
being,
authentic in their
they're not
artwork.
being in trouble.
What's my favorite sports team? We're skipping that one.
Oh. Sports has zero place in our lives. Sorry, all you sports fans.
Quick, what's my eye color?
Blue! Quick, what's my eye color?
Okay, your eyes are hazel. They're pretty rainbow, but like they change color in the light. Okay, your eyes are hazel.
Your eyes are blue.
Okay. What's something that you do that I wish you didn't?
I wish you didn't. Okay, so you do this thing where I'll tell you something, and then your next word that you say right after that is no. And I don't know why, it just drives me crazy, because I'm like, okay, I guess
This
like
is a
what I
personal issue.
just said was it's not valid.
Right? Get
No?
where you're coming from, but I don't really understand it. You know? Something you do I wish you didn't do? Oh, so I'm drawing a big fat blank on this one, but when it happens, I get like pet peevey about it. But it's something he says all the time, and I cannot think of it. It was so important that I remembered, right? Where am I from? You're from Nashville, but I'm from...
New York.
Yeah. What kind of cake would you bake me on my birthday? Ooh.
I'll say this one first. Confetti cake!
Oh, yeah, I love funfetti. That's
Oh
like,
yeah, funfetti.
Yeah,
Whatever.
I knew what you meant.
Yeah.
That's like the go-to, but for you don't even like cake, so...
Okay, but what would my top 2 be? Top
Strawberry
2.
shortcake.
So then top 3.
Okay, strawberry shortcake, the lemonade pie, that's like
Yeah.
not a cake. Vanilla?
No, honestly, this one you won't get
Yeah,
because
because you're so particular.
because it's just like something where it's like, yeah, like when I want it, I want it. It's
Yeah.
the red velvet. I really like red velvet.
Wow, I like this. You learned
Yeah.
something new about each other. See, after 7 years, after all these years, man. I've never seen you eat red velvet once. What can I spend hours doing?
Makeup.
Yeah. You could spend hours making a beat.
Yeah.
Like you'll
Making
never be
music.
done with it.
Yeah.
The last one, if I could live anywhere, where would it be?
It would not be one place. You would have a house in Bali. You would have a house in Manhattan. You would have a house in Cali. You would have a house in Alaska. It would be everywhere.
Yeah.
That would be her place to live.
That's a good answer.
And what about me?
New York City. Like New York City.
I feel like my answer is
Brooklyn.
the same.
It could be...
Like that's like
Yeah, and
like
you
that's
as
my
well.
thing.
Yeah, you're
like,
not...
I would want to be everywhere.
You're not
anyway.
grounded anywhere. Wherever we go, there we
Yeah,
are.
we're not permanents. Like,
We're renters, you know?
we're renters. We're
We're
travelers.
hustlers. We'll have a house in every location.
I'm a hustler, baby. I just want you to
As
know
we go.
what all the times
Slow
we
down. Wait, what? Well, thanks for watching our tag. We hope we didn't bore you too much.
Probably just a little bit.
I love you.
I love you too.
And I love you.
No! I love you.
Cool. I love you too. Wow, your eyes are so green in this light. I want to take a pic. Make it happen. We're trying to find an editing. It's not working.
Whoa!
The lights! Wait, bring the lights forward. What? That's the end.